Corbin would like to get down from his chair. He thinks he's all done with his snack, his smoothie.
Bye.
Bye to the cars. Drink the rest of your water.
Mama?
We're all done with your graham crackers and all done with your smoothie. You want to get down?
Get down.
Get down.